We are in Mpika in the northern side of Zambia. It took us from Chavuma the last 2 days. We drove 32 hours to get here. The road is so bad. And it's just by the grace that we came here safely. So we thank the Lord. And today we start with a new kickoff here in Mpika and then in Kasama. And then in Manza, I'll just post a map to see, for you to see where we are. But wow, this morning I was just reminded of the privilege that we have to train up student pastors and to flood this whole area of the northern side of Zambia. Harvesters have never been here. There's one person I've met this morning. He went to the training in Kitwe, which is 2 days drive from here. He finished all his training. He gave a testimony this morning that they have, he started in 2022. He and his local church have planted 10 churches here in the area, and they are planning 4 more. And the student pastors have also planted churches. So after driving so far, this testimony was just a great motivation for us why we should have come to this place.